Maintaining strength and health as you age is crucial, and incorporating specific exercises into your daily routine can make a significant difference. Start with bodyweight squats to build leg strength, balance, and mobility, which are key for staying active and reducing the risk of falls. Planks are essential for improving core stability, while push-ups boost upper body strength and engage your core. Jumping jacks are a fantastic full-body workout, enhancing flexibility and cardiovascular health. Finally, cycling is a low-impact exercise that improves cardiovascular fitness, supports joint health, and boosts mental well-being. Alright, let's get started with bodyweight squats. This exercise is simple yet incredibly effective. This is a fantastic exercise for building leg strength, improving balance, and enhancing overall fitness. And increasing mobility, all crucial things, especially as we get older. Regular practice can make daily activities easier and more enjoyable. Now, don't be intimidated by the word squat. It's a natural movement that we do every day. We're not talking about lifting heavy weights here. Instead, we're focusing on using your own body weight to get a great workout. This makes it accessible for everyone, regardless of fitness level. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. This stance provides stability. Keep your back straight, chest up, and core engaged. This helps maintain proper form and prevent injury. Imagine you're holding a beach ball between your shoulder blades. You want to keep it from falling. This visualization helps with posture. Now, here's the key. Initiate the movement by pushing your hips back as if you're about to sit down in a chair. This engages your glutes and hamstrings. Lower yourself down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or as low as you comfortably can go. It's important to listen to your body. Make sure your knees track over your toes, but don't go past them. This alignment protects your knees. Hold that position for a second, really feeling those leg muscles working. This pause increases the intensity of the exercise. Then push through your heels to return to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Pushing through your heels activates your leg muscles more effectively. Remember, quality over quantity, especially when you're starting out. Proper form is crucial to avoid injury and get the most out of the exercise. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. This range is a good starting point for building strength and endurance. And as you get stronger, you can gradually increase the number of reps or sets. Progression is key to continued improvement. If you're feeling a bit unsteady, use a wall or a sturdy chair for support. This can help you maintain balance and confidence. Place it in front of you and lightly touch it as you lower down and come back up. This small adjustment can make a big difference in your stability. Remember, consistency is key. Regular practice will lead to noticeable improvements in strength, balance, and overall fitness. Keep at it, and you'll see great results. Next up, we're hitting the core with planks. This exercise is a staple in many fitness routines for a good reason. And when I say core, I'm not just talking about those six-pack muscles. The core is a complex series of muscles, extending far beyond your abs. A strong core encompasses everything from your chest to your hips, and it's vital for stability, balance, and preventing those pesky backaches. It supports almost every movement you make. Now, planks might look easy, but trust me, they're a true test of strength and endurance. Holding a plank engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. The key here is maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. Proper form ensures you get the most out of the exercise and avoid injury. Start by getting into a push-up position, but instead of placing your hands on the ground, lower yourself onto your forearms. This is known as the forearm plank. Your elbows should be directly beneath your shoulders, and your body should form a straight line from head to toe. Imagine a rod running from your head to your heels. Engage your core. Imagine someone's about to poke you in the stomach, and hold that position. This engagement is crucial for maintaining stability. No sagging hips or raised bottoms. Keeping your body in a straight line is essential for targeting the right muscles. Start by holding the plank for 20 seconds and gradually increase the time as you get stronger. Consistency is key to building endurance. You can work your way up to a minute or even longer if you're feeling ambitious. The longer you hold, the more you challenge your muscles. Remember, it's better to hold a perfect plank for a shorter amount of time than to collapse halfway through because your form is off. Quality over quantity. And if you're looking for an extra challenge, try lifting one leg or arm off the ground while maintaining that solid plank position. This adds an element of instability, further engaging your core. Planks are a fantastic way to build core strength, and with practice, you'll see improvements in your overall fitness and stability. Keep pushing yourself, and remember to enjoy the process. Chapter 3. Push-ups. Let's move on to push-ups, one of the most fundamental and effective exercises you can do. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Push-ups? Those are tough. And you're right, they can be challenging, especially if you haven't done them in a while. And you're right, they can be. But don't worry, we're going to break it down and make it manageable for you. Push-ups are incredibly effective for building upper body strength, especially in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. They also help in toning your arms and improving your overall muscle endurance. Plus, push-ups engage your core, which, as we talked about earlier, is essential for overall stability and balance. A strong core can help prevent injuries and improve your posture. We're going to start with a modified version of the push-up, which is a great way to build strength and get comfortable with the movement. This version is less intense but still highly effective. Instead of starting in a full plank position, we're going to place our knees on the ground. This reduces the amount of weight you have to lift, making it easier to perform the exercise correctly. Make sure your knees are hip-width apart and your body forms a straight line from your knees to your head. This alignment is crucial for maintaining proper form and avoiding strain on your back. Place your hands shoulder-width apart, fingers pointing forward. This hand position helps distribute your weight evenly and engages the right muscle groups. Now, lower your chest towards the ground, keeping your elbows slightly tucked in, not flared out. This helps protect your shoulders and ensures you're using the correct muscles. Go down as far as you comfortably can, then push back up to the starting position. It's important to move through the full range of motion to get the most benefit from the exercise. As you get stronger, you can gradually progress to doing push-ups from your toes. This will increase the intensity and further challenge your muscles. Start with a few repetitions and gradually increase the number as you build strength. Remember, form is key. It's better to do fewer reps with proper form than to risk injury by trying to do too much too soon. Consistency is crucial. Make push-ups a regular part of your routine, and you'll see improvements in your strength and endurance over time. Keep pushing yourself, but always listen to your body. Chapter 4. Jumping Jacks. Now it's time to get that heart rate up with some jumping jacks. Don't underestimate this classic exercise. It's a fantastic way to improve your cardiovascular health, boost your energy levels, and enhance your coordination. Plus, it's a low-impact exercise, which means it's easier on your joints compared to something like running. Start by standing with your feet together, arms at your sides. As you jump, step your feet out to the sides, slightly wider than shoulder-width apart, and raise your arms overhead, bringing your hands together above your head. As you land, bring your feet back together and lower your arms to your sides. That's one rep. Try to maintain a steady rhythm and focus on landing softly on your feet to minimize impact on your joints. Start with a set of 10 to 15 repetitions and gradually increase the number or sets as you feel your fitness improving. And remember, it's all about finding a pace that works for you. If you need to modify the exercise, you can step your feet out to the sides one at a time instead of jumping. Chapter 5. Cycling. Let's talk about cycling. Now, this one might require you to dust off that old bike in the garage, but trust me, it's worth it. Cycling is a fantastic low-impact exercise that's easy on your joints, making it a great option no matter your age or fitness level. It's also an excellent way to improve your cardiovascular health, build leg strength, and boost your mood. There's nothing quite like feeling the wind in your hair as you cruise along a scenic path. Start with shorter rides at a comfortable pace, gradually increasing the distance and intensity as you get fitter. Listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. And remember, safety first. Always wear a helmet and make sure your bike is in good working order before heading out. If you're not quite ready to hit the open road, stationary bikes at the gym or even at home are a great alternative. They offer a controlled environment where you can adjust the resistance and intensity to suit your fitness level. Cycling is a truly enjoyable and rewarding way to stay active, explore your surroundings, and improve your overall well-being. Outro, keep moving. Listen, age is just a number. It's all about how you feel, how strong you are, and how much you're still able to experience in this life. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't do something because you're over the hill. You set your own limits. These exercises, they're not just about building muscle and stamina. They're about building resilience. They're about proving to yourself that you're capable of anything you set your mind to. So get out there, get moving, and show the world what you're made of. I guarantee you, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve.